Hello kids, in this video we are going to learn a new lesson, teeth and microbes. Lesson number 5, teeth and microbes. In this lesson we shall study types of teeth, care of teeth and microbes. In this lesson we are going to learn how many types of teeth are there and how to take care of teeth and microbes. Way and means to safeguard our teeth from them means microbes. How we safeguard our teeth from microbes, in this lesson we are going to study. Everyone loves a smiley face with a sparkling teeth. Our teeth are an important part of our personality. Teeth also give our face its shape and help us to speak clearly. We bite into anything we eat. Do not we our teeth chop, share and grind food into mouth so that we can swallow it well. Everyone loves no smiling face with a sparkling teeth. When your teeth are sparkle, that time you will feel good. You will smile. That time you look beautiful. When your teeth looks a dirty yellow color, that time you feel shy. No? When you smile, your friend will say, "See, his teeth are so dirty, yellowish." That time you feel bad, no? So everyone need sparkling teeth, and that teeth give the shape to our face and they help us to speak clearly. Whatever we eat, no, teeth help us to bite, chew, grind the food. Whatever we eat food, no, the teeth help us to grind it, chop it. So we swallow it easily. We swallow that one grinded food easily. Understood, no kids? Growth of teeth. Growth of teeth. A newborn baby has no teeth. A newborn baby has no teeth and has to be fed only milk, soap or juice until it gets its first teeth. Around the age of 6 to 7 months, by 2.5 years, the child has about 20 teeth. These are called the milk teeth, temporary teeth. Children start losing their milk teeth around the age of the 6th and lose all them by the time they are 12 years old. These are replaced by the permanent teeth. There are 32 permanent teeth in an adult with 16 teeth in each jaw. A newly born baby has no teeth. You saw a newly born baby, kids? It has teeth? No. So, a mother feed it only milk, soup or juice because it has no teeth. So, that baby's mother feed it milk. Around 6 to 7 months, the baby gets started to get a new teeth. Around 6 to 7 months, it gets start a teeth. By 2.5 years, its child has about 20 teeth. About 2.5 years, child has 20 teeth. These teeth are called milk teeth. These 20 teeth are called milk teeth or temporary teeth. Children again start losing their milk teeth around the age of 6 years. 6 years to 12 years, they lose their all 20 teeth and replaced that teeth by a permanent teeth. That teeth lose in between 6 to 12 years, and in that place they get a new teeth. The milk teeth replaced by a permanent teeth. There are 32 permanent teeth are there. In each jaws 16 teeth. Adult have 32 teeth, in each jaw 16 teeth. They have 16 teeth. Types of teeth. The 32 permanent teeth are classified into 4 types on the basis of their shape, size and functions. Adult have 32 teeth, permanent teeth. They are called the permanent teeth. And in that 32 permanent teeth are classified into 4 types. 4 types on their basis of their shape, size and functions. Teeth are classified into their basis upon shape, size and functions. Look in this picture, kids. In this picture, see here, it is our mouth and these are our teeth. 32 teeth are there in upper jaw, 16, and in lower jaw 16. Means total how much? 32 teeth are there. In 32 teeth, first one is incisors, second is canine, third is premolar and fourth one is the molar. Incisors, canine, premolar and molar, these type teeth are classified into 4 types on the basis of their shape, size and functions. Look here, kids. Here these are the incisors teeth. First middle part is the incisors teeth. Next to that one incisor teeth, canine teeth are there. Canine teeth is there. Canine teeth. After canine teeth, premolar teeth. Premolar teeth. After premolar teeth, which teeth are there? Molar teeth. Here also look here, incisors, canine. This one middle one is the canine. Next two are the premolar and next are there now they are the molar teeth. Incisors, canine, premolar and molar. This type teeth are divided into 4 types. First, four teeth are shown, incisors. Next canine, after 2 are there now, they are the premolar, this one premolar and next molar. Look in this one picture, kids, carefully. Turn the page. Incisors. There are 4 incisors in each jaw. Incisors have sharp and straight edge. We use our incisors to bite into and cut the food we get. Incisors are usually the first teeth that appears at around 6 months of the age. Incisors teeth are the sharp and straight edges. Incisors teeth are teeth are sharp, straight edge teeth. They bite and cut the food we eat. Incisors teeth bite and cut the food we eat. Usually, first teeth appears around the 6 months of the age. Incisors teeth use first teeth. It's appear at the around 6 months age. Look in this picture, kids. The first 4 teeth, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In lower jaw and in upper jaw, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 incisors teeth. Understood, no? They are sharp and straight edge. They help us to bite and cut the food. Second one is canine. Canine are placed on the both sides of the incisors. We have 4 canines in all to each jaws. These teeth, being sharp and pointed, help us to tear the food apart. Canine are placed on the both sides of the incisors. We have 4 canines in all 2 in each jaws. These teeth being sharp and pointed, these are sharp and pointed, help to tear the food apart. Look here in this picture, kids. Canines are placed both sides. Look here. This side is the canine and here also is the canine. And in the upper side, this is here. Canines. Okay? This side and this side. They are help us to tear the food because they are sharp and pointed. They are placed where they are placed? They are placed both side of incisors. They are placed by both side of incisors. Understood now? Next, premolar teeth. We have 4 premolar in each jaw next to the canine. Premolar are largely used to cracking, chewing and grinding food, are therefore broad and flat. Look here. Premolars are placed where? Next to the canine. Premolars here in each jaws. Premolars, 4 premolars in each jaws placed to the next to the canine. They are help us to cracking, chewing, grinding the food. So they are flat and broad. Look here, kids. Canines are next to the premolar. Canines are next to the premolar in both sides. In both sides. This side and upper jaws also, lower jaws also. Premolars are next to the canines. Okay? It is here. These are here. Both sides. This side, left side, right side. This side also, this side also. Okay? And they are help us to grind, chew, okay, cracking. So therefore are flat and broad. Fourth one is the molar. Fourth one is molar. We have 4 premolar in each jaw next to the canine. Premolars are largely used to this over, no kids? Yes, cracking, chewing, grinding food and therefore the broad and flat over. Now we are going to fourth one is the molar. Premolar. First is the incisors, canine, premolar and the molar. First one is the incisors, canine, premolar. Fourth one is the molar. Now we are going to see the molar. We have 6 molar teeth in each jaw. We have 6 molar teeth in each jaw. These are situated next to the premolar. The last molar are called the wisdom teeth. Molar are used for chewing and grinding food. Look here, this is the molar teeth, kids. It is placed after which one teeth? Premolar. It is situated next to the premolar. And this is called the wisdom teeth. Molars are used for chewing and grinding. Look in this one picture. Molar are situated where? Next to premolar. These are situated next to premolar. Look here in this one. Molars are here. Incisors, canine, premolar, molar. Incisors, canine, premolar and these are the last one is the molar. Molars are situated next to the premolar. These are help us to grinding the food, and they are also flat. Look in this one picture, kids. These teeth are called the wisdom teeth. This one teeth is called wisdom teeth. Understood now? This type, there are 4 types of teeth are there. On the base, these teeth are classified on the basis of shape, size and their functions. First one is incisors, canine, premolar and molar. Incisors, canine, premolar and molar. This type teeth are classified into 4 types. Okay? Understood the kids? In the next video, we are going to see the parts of teeth. Parts of teeth, tooth decay and how to take care of teeth. Understood na kids? In the next video, we are going to see the parts of teeth, tooth decay and how to take care of teeth and micros. Until you read the lesson, write down new words in your notebook. Try to draw this one picture, teeth picture. Try to draw these pictures in your notebook. Understood, no kids? Thank you for watching the video.